So this is our seated leg curl machine. Go ahead and sit down. You have a couple adjustments to make. We do have this backrest. You'll pull this lever. This allows you to adjust the back seat, the backrest, up or down. You release the lever, apply a little pressure, make sure it's locked in. You have this adjustment here that pushes this pad in and out, depending on the size and height of your legs. And then the next adjustment is for how low it's going to be your starting position for the lift. This will raise it and this will lower it. You always want the greatest range of motion for an exercise. So if you do have the range of motion, bring it up as high as you can for yourself. Go ahead and select the appropriate amount of weight you want to use. Bring your foot, place it up here. You do want your Achilles tendon to be right here on top of this roller. We're going to drop the knee pad down, make sure it is above the knee and not on top of your knee. So to make the appropriate adjustments. You have your handles right here, go ahead and grab. When you're ready to perform your exercise, we're going to curl our leg down and squeeze the hamstrings and glute. Let it come up. Then squeeze at the bottom and come back up. Get out of the machine, go ahead and raise up your knee pad. Then you can go ahead and step out of the machine. This is our seated leg curl.